What's up, guys? So check it out. FK Irons Flux. Yes, it is legit real. It's not one of them fucking Chinese knockoffs. It can be a knockoff considering, you know, we got like 666 Nikes and shit coming out. So anyway, I'm gonna show you guys how to wrap this machine because you can't use the regular clipcord cover bags. You have to use special bags. Barrier wrap, a little bitty piece, a little square. Like to do this extra protection. Obviously, I seen that trick on YouTube where this is going. But just put it over like that. I take my little bag right here. Obviously, it's long. I cut them. You can actually use these things 3 times on a machine. So I take it off, or I take and cut it. Pull all this shit up to a little knot. Nothing can get in the back of the machine. Some people say leave it open. I'd prefer not to. Kind of funny about that shit. Anyway, bam, see that? It goes right down in. Take that, fold it over. Take your wrap it up. However you like to wrap it, if you like it huge, whatever. I like to wrap it a couple times. Make sure everything's good and smooth. And that's that on that part of it. Alright, I'll show you guys how easy it is to put a needle in it. Let me get the ones out that I'm going to be using on my guy right here. No, I'm going to be using that so we can show with that. Alright. Really simple. It goes right up in there and locks in perfect. Alright. It's really easy to change out. When you got to change it out, you change it out just normal. It's got 2 barriers right here because it's got the clip cord bag and it's got that barrier wrap. So the chances of anything getting up in your machine are slim to none. So that's the best way I found to wrap it. You guys let me know what you think. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. There's going to be a lot more good shit to come. But anyway, that is an FK Iron Flux machine. Stay tuned.